burst like that, what is the feeling like for you?
It's hard to breathe. It makes it very difficult. Very difficult to stay energized, but you got to find a way to continue to compete.
Yeah, especially the way you like to play. How much tougher does that make it on you when you're out there?
I like to run, attack. It makes it a little difficult, but got to be mind over matter. So just got to tell myself tomorrow.
Sounds like you don't like to talk about it because I guess you don't like talking about it too much, I guess.
It doesn't matter. I mean, my opponent doesn't, ease up on me because I'm sick or anything, so it doesn't really matter.
Have you managed it with anything specific, like medication or rest, or what are you trying to do to combat it?
Just trying to rest. Went to the doctor, trying to figure out what's going on. Just get some medicine. Just try to, do everything I can so I can feel close to 100% when game time comes.
But it's not a situation where you could potentially be out for a game, play significantly fewer minutes. It's not one of those. It's just you're going to have to push a little bit more to get to that point.
Yeah, I think I just got tough for that.